Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, we are going to locally install this new version of CosyVoice, which is CosyVoice 2, and we will see how it performs, especially when it comes to voice cloning. Before I show you the installation and we play around with this model, let's have a quick look at the architecture and few of the internal technical details of this model in very simple words. Now, as I said, this model reduces streaming delays and improves text to speech accuracy that really enhances users' experience. In more simpler words, Cozy Voice 2 is an improved speech synthesis model that can generate natural sounding speech in real time. It's like more advanced version of the text to speech system which was Cozy Voice 1, but this one has been designed to work seamlessly with LLMs. There are four key benefits of this new model. First and foremost, it has got human comparable synthesis quality, it has got very low response latency and real time factor, plus it can generate speech in multiple languages. But when we say multiple language, it only means English and then few dialects of Chinese plus Korean and Japanese. No European language, no Hindi, no Urdu, no Persian or no African language or no Southeast Asian language like Malay or Indonesian. But it can perform both streaming and non-streaming synthesis within a single model. In more technical terms, if you look at this diagram now, in this Cozy Voice 2, what they have done is they have introduced finite scalar quantization to improve the code book utilization of speech tokens. They have also simplified the model architecture of the text speech LM, and because they are using LLM that can be directly used as a backbone of this model, they have also designed a chunk aware causal flow matching model to accommodate different synthesis scenarios, and that is why they can perform the streaming and non-streaming synthesis within a single model with as little latency as possible. So that is a whole introduction of this model. There is a lot of other information which is available on their GitHub repo and their model card, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. They also have a Hugging Face space if you don't want to install it locally. Plus they also have shared some of the samples from their project paper which you can check out. Okay, so let's try to get it installed locally and then we will play around with it. Before that, let me also give a huge thanks to Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs, so do check them out. This is my Ubuntu system where I'm running Ubuntu 22.04, and this is my GPU card NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Now the only prerequisite which you need for this installation is Docker. I have a recent version of Docker installed. If you don't know what Docker is, how to get it installed, please search my channel. I have done a very simple video on the Docker. Now in order to run this, all you need to do is to run this docker run command, which will present us a Gradio demo on our local host at port 7860. And because I have that NVIDIA GPU, so I am using all the GPUs available. It couldn't find the image on my local system, which is expected, so now it is downloading it. Let's wait for it to get downloaded and then we will access it in our local browser. And it has downloaded the container images and now it is instantiating those containers from those images. Let's wait for it. And now the models are being downloaded. Shouldn't take too long now. So you can see that it is downloading a lot of stuff, and this is only for the first time, thankfully. And the models are downloaded, and now it is configuring all the resources which are needed. And you just have to be patient because it takes a bit of a time, I think 10 to 15 minutes to download everything and then configure everything. Let's wait for it. and you can ignore these warnings for now. And now it is loading the model onto the GPU, and eventually everything is configured, and now the demo is running on our localhost at port 7860. So let me access it here, and there you go. So we have, and I'm going to just allow my microphone here. I'm not sure my microphone is going to work because I'm accessing it remotely through thin link PNC, but we will try. Anyway, so you see that this is the text we want to synthesize, and we want to clone it in some voice. So maybe I'll just go down. I already have selected the 3-second voice clone, and then I will just select a reference audio from maybe from my local system. I'm also going to play it out for you. And you see, one thing I really love about it, as soon as I have loaded my audio, it has transcribed it within a split second. This is always the case with this CosyVoice, which is, this always surprises me that it transcription is next level with it. Okay, so let me click on speech synthesis here. It says please use prompt audio shorter than 10 second. Okay, so my prompt audio is slightly bigger, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to select any other audio. Let's click on X here. Now you have selected this 3-second audio in my own voice. Let's see if it works now. Seems like it is.
CosyVoice is undergoing a comprehensive upgrade,
Okay,
providing more accurate.
let's wait for it. Okay, so it has completed the voice cloning. Now let me walk you through again step by step. This is a text we want the new cloned voice to say. And then as a reference voice, the voice which I want to clone is my own voice. Let me play that now. What is happiness? So this is my own voice. I just said what is happiness. And then the text is English plus Chinese. Now let me play this cloned or synthesized audio.
CosyVoice is undergoing a upgrade, providing more accurate, stable, faster, and better voice generation capabilities. CosyVoice 迎来全面升级，提供更准、更稳、更快、更好的语音生成能力。
Okay, I will let you. Yeah. So I will let you be the judge of it. I believe yes, there is a strong resemblance with my voice, but still a lot of room for improvement. Maybe I would need bit more longer audio. Let me do that. Okay, now what I have done is I have changed the text to Sydney, Australia has got the finest harbor in the world. And then I'm not streaming it. This is a new audio which I have uploaded. How many letter R are there in the word strawberry? It's a 7-second audio, should be enough. It already has transcribed it. Let me run the speech synthesis. And while it runs, let also quickly check our VRAM consumption. And you can see that it is taking around 30 seconds to complete anyway. So it is consuming.
Sydney, Australia has got the finest harbour in the world.
Yeah, much better speech cloning this time.
World.
And the VRAM consumption is around 5.6 GB. Okay, so I think if your audio is closer to 10, then cloning really works good. So let me play it both again. How many letter R are there in the word strawberry? Let's play this one again.
Sydney, Australia has got the finest harbour in the world.
Yeah, much better. I think the only issue is that the accent of the cloned voice is Chinese. I think if it could be neutral, that will be good. But nonetheless, I think CosyVoice 2 has really done it wonderfully well. Now let me see if I'll do the streaming, and then I'm just going to record it and then I'll see what it does here. Now, as I said earlier, I'm not sure if it would work because I'm accessing it through my remote VNC. Let me click on record and then we will see. Hi, Sydney is not the capital of Australia, rather a financial hub. Canberra is the actual capital of Australia.
Sydney, Australia has got the finest harbour in the world.
There you go. So
In the
instead of, yeah,
world.
great. So it has done it in the real time on the basis of my voice, which is above. Good stuff. And then I'll just do the speech synthesis and let's see what it does this time.
CD is not
Let me play it.
because CD is not because Patatio was
Yeah, no,
Australia.
I don't
Daddy,
think so. I don't think the streaming is working properly. But if it is not streaming, then it is working properly. Maybe we could play around with it with some random seed to get it working. But whatever effort I have done, I am not really able to produce good results with the streaming. But without streaming, I think it works really well. You can also do something like instructed voice generation where you can provide it an audio and then give it some instruction, like maybe I'll just say an old man giving advice in serious tone. Okay, let's see. Maybe I'll say a very, very old man. Okay, I'll just do the speech synthesis. Okay, so it has produced the audio, again the finest harbor one, but let's see if it is very, very old man or not.
got the finest harbour in the world. Sydney, Australia has got the finest harbour in the world.
Okay, maybe I'll just say
In the
woman,
world.
but my voice is
World.
not woman, so I'll just say maybe an angry man shouting. Let's see if it is able to do this now. You see, it also gave the error with the instruction, and I'm showing you as is, no editing, nothing.
Sydney, Australia.
Yeah, it is shouting a bit.
Sydney, Australia has got the finest harbour in the world.
Yeah, okay. Okay, that is bad. That is better. So look, voice cloning works really well offline. I mean, not without any streaming, I would say. And then it is also following the instruction. Not bad at all. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about this CosyVoice 2. I will drop the link to it in video's description. Play around with it. Let me know how you go. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.